Okay, I wanted to include this video to summarize how to use the resources you have learned for this specific test, which is chapter 5, part 1. For example, problem number 1, which is a standard form degree living coefficient, that was included in topic 8, from Learn. If you see the first part is a video where you see the polynomial function in the leading term. It explains everything there about that. And also, I'm including there those the notes that I gave you for this test. I provided, if you remember, in this, let me show you all these notes. So you have these notes right here, the polynomial one, when it is telling you about the leading, all the basic definitions of the degree of the polynomial, the standard form, and that is explained in polynomial function. The topic number 8, the first video. So the first video is going to help you with the problems from the review. Problem number 1. Also the end behavior 2, 3, 4, that's going to be in the first video. In the second video as well, end behavior and turning points of a polynomial. The third video is turning points of a polynomial, so you have a lot to review. You can use those videos for these problems. Find the degree of a polynomial, that's also included here, asking for the degree in leading term. Where the function is decreasing and decreasing. That was also when I explained in the second video from the same set, the end behavior and turning points. The turning points and the end increasing and decreasing are explained in that second video. What else? The next part, when you're finding zeros, when you're finding the zeros of the polynomial, as many times I have explained to you that you guys are going to use this for this further notes, where you have, in this part, when you have how to find the zeros, this is telling you the differences of what is the meaning of finding the linear factors, finding the zeros, the roots, and where you see the zeros in the graph. So you can use these notes. You can also use example 5.2 in the second part of the Learn. And multiplicity, and those these videos I'm putting in on Learn tonight, so you guys have access to those as well. The multiplicity and the end behavior, I'm adding more specific examples coming from this review. And what else? The last part, which is how to find, how to divide polynomials using synthetic division and using long division. Those are 4 videos that I added in topic number 10, where you have synthetic division, polynomial, the explanation. Not only that, but also I gave you all the steps here to find the long division process and to find synthetic division. So you have more than enough to be ready for this test. This study very hard. The only thing I'm going to add to this is please don't do the last 2 questions, because those 2 questions are a little bit advanced for what is going to be in this test. 23 and 24 are going to be included in the review for next test, second part of chapter 5. So study hard, be ready for the test. It's Monday. Don't miss the test, please. This test is only 10 questions. It's 50 minutes. 50 minutes is more than enough to finish the test. And so study hard, every single one of the problems. See you Monday.